And recently you went for this Pune wedding with Neelam.
Yeah.
There was Sohail, there was Arbaz. And did you read the comments?
No, in fact,
don't.
a friend of mine messaged me yesterday, oh God, you've gone viral. I said,
Yes,
but why?
you were viral.
And I had not seen Instagram in 2 days because I was in Pune the whole day. And then the next day,
Well, the other side was like, what's really happening? You know, like, why is this happening?
oh, are they getting back together?
Yeah. Or that's always the thing. What next is happening in Seema's life? तो क्या वो YouTube पे पता चलेगा हमें?
वो तो मैं नहीं बता सकती. You have to watch to see what I'm putting out there.
You know, I also want to bring this up and say this, that Seema, I think you're that personality जो शायद Paps को tip off ना करे. Like, that's the energy I'm getting.
I have no time to see my phone. Tip off, matlab, I'm very nice to all of them. There
Of
are few of them that are very sweet. In fact, they have asked me once or twice, they've taken a number because sometimes when I go and I don't have a picture,
Yeah.
मेरे को एक फोटो भेजो ना. मैंने खुद का नहीं लिया. Send me a picture to post for myself.
Yeah.
So I find it very. I mean, you know what? You need. They are doing their job,
Yeah.
and they do help us.
Yeah.
Whether you want to admit it or not admit it, they keep us relevant. And I have a certain amount of respect for them.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's such a beautiful thing.
Yeah, I mean,
That's
it's
true.
their job, and what they do is not easy.
Yeah.
Quite frankly, I know there are you know, there are some of them that can get wild and hooliganish or whatever, but there are a whole bunch of really nice, you
Yeah.
know, guys. I mean, I've known Viral since he's now, I remember doing a video for him for his 1 million followers, and now he's at some 15 million.
Yeah.
He used to be doing my events. I remember when I was doing clothes, I'm talking about 25, 30 years ago, he would come and photograph my, you know, event and whatever. And look where he is today. It's not easy to do what he does, dude.
No, not at all.
And none of them, all these boys from Shiva to Deepak to all of them, when I look at them at events, sometimes I feel bad. Garmi ho, sardi ho, barish ho, they have to stand there. And because of them, they keep you relevant, yeah.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
Respect, dude. They
Wow.
do their job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you know, कभी ऐसा नहीं लगता सीमा कि यार नहीं थोड़ा सा मैं भी प्रेशर ले ही लेती हूँ, थोड़ा सा और PR कर लेती हूँ और marketing कर लेती हूँ. Has that ever happened? Because I'll tell you why I'm saying, क्योंकि like I can, let's say if I was your team, I would have been like, Seema, I see so much potential. ठीक है, ये भी हो सकता है, ये सब ये, but then do they push you too? Like
Yeah, of course. No. There does come a point, like sometimes, you know what, there are certain events that sometimes, you know, to be honest, yeah, at 7:30 I want to wear my pajamas and be in my bed, and I really don't want to go out. But there are times that you have to do it.
हाँ.
If this is the line of work you've chosen, then you have to do it. And I do get pushed that you have to go for this, you have to attend this, you have to, you know, show your face here. And it goes both ways, because when you need those people to come for you, if you're not going to make that effort, you're not going to, you know what I mean? That's how you're going to be living in that box. To expand yourself, you have to make that effort to be out there. And after every time a show drops, we have to do PR and stuff. We've done so much together.
Yeah.
So I do get pushed from time to time. And listen, मेरे से जितना होता है मैं करती हूँ.
That's cute.
But I don't take too much of
Stress and
stress.
pressure and
नहीं.
yes,
And I'm in phases. कभी you will say I'll post all the time. I'll be posting regularly, and sometimes you will not see me for 1 month.
I agree. I see on Instagram, there are times when Seema's like, Seema hai? Seema kidhar hai? Seema kya kar rahe? No problem. The next thing I'm like, dots. The stories have gone in dots.
Yeah. I'm like that. I'm actually, with me, there is no middle path. Aar ya paar with me.
The nation wants to know what is happening with your love life right now. Are you willing to talk about it?
You know, honestly, I am not concentrating on any love life. I'm concentrating right now on myself. I am my own true love.
Love it.
Yeah.
Love it.
I am my own true love. I'm working on myself. I'm working on my children. I'm building a new home. I have a new YouTube channel. And I have my brand, and I have a lot more on the pipeline that I'm working on.
Wow.
So, yeah.
That's your love life.
I've got a lot of hats on right now, and I'm loving it.
Because Netflix left us on a cliffhanger on
Yeah.
Seema's love life only. मतलब सब ऐसे हैं. अब क्या? अब 1 साल रुके.
अभी देखेंगे. I surrendered myself to the universe. Right now, my priority is me.
And as it should be
Yeah.
also. And recently you went for this Pune wedding with Neelam, there
Yeah.
was Sohail, there was Arbaz, and did you read the comments?
No, in fact,
will.
a friend of mine messaged me yesterday, oh God, you've gone viral. I said,
Yes,
but why?
you were viral.
And I had not seen Instagram in 2 days because I was in Pune the whole day. And then the next day, I had something, and then was Mother's Day, and
Yeah.
I had a family lunch, and I don't look at my phone through the day. I look at my phone in the morning, maybe through the day a little bit, and then I look at my phone at the night. So many times I also miss a lot.
Yeah.
Like sometimes when I open my Instagram, things have come out from 10th April, 12th April. I mean, but ये तो पहले हुआ था ना, and I have to keep refreshing to say, you know what is coming now.
You were viral straight for hours.
I did not even know. And she said, "Okay, people have said this, and people."
No, but they were almost, okay, so I'll tell you what was it.
Huh.
It was a good thing. People were very happy looking at your bond. Okay, I'll tell you what happens is people tend to glorify sometimes. That, you
Yeah.
know what, how have you maintained a good relationship no
Yeah,
matter a bad past?
Yeah.
But that gets glorified. But now the generation is different. Gen Zs look at it like, isn't this the most coolest thing ever? You know, so there were two sides to it.
Yeah.
While the other side was like, what's really happening? You know, like, why is this happening?
Oh, are they getting back together?
Yeah, or that's always the thing. But the majority side, because I've been tracking as well, was more like, this is really cool. So you went viral on the internet because of that. Like, is it because you somewhere down the line don't show yourself so much online? So जब थोड़ा बहुत दिख जाते हैं, लोग are like, अरे ये कैसे हो रहा है?
You know, it's the most. What is so? I can't understand people when they see Sohail and me together. I was married to the man for over 20 years. I do share 2 children with him. He is the father of my children, and we are always going to be a family. That is the reality of my life. Why can't people understand that?
Yeah.
So it's like, you know, people just assume that when you get a divorce, you have to be enemies.
Yeah.
Hello. No divorce is pretty.
True.
Everybody goes through their phases of that. You have to come to terms with the 5 stages of grief and whatever. There is anger is a part of it.
Yeah.
But eventually, everybody finds their rhythm, and we have 2 children together.
Yeah.
And whether we like it or not, we are going to be a family forever.
Yeah.
So I find it very strange when people say, "Arey, see, they're together and they're being nice to one another. Arey, they're talking to each other so nicely. What should I do? Take a stab? Honestly, Sohail and I are absolutely fine.
Yeah.
We are co-parenting beautifully. We love our boys, and I mean, we are forever going to be Johan and Nirvan. That's their father, and I am their mother.
Yeah.
And I was married in that family for over 20 years, nearly 25 years. That will be my family.
Yeah.
By extension of by virtue of my children as an extension, they will always be my family.
True.
Whether people want to see however they want to look into it,
Yeah.
you can't just, अभी मेरा डिवोर्स हो गया तो ये मैं भूल गई, वो मैं भूल गई, ये मैं भूल गई. ऐसे तो होता नहीं है
नहीं
ना.
होता है. True.
You know what I'm
That's
saying?
true.
It doesn't work like that.
Yeah. But
You
as I said, your audience is
yeah,
told.
you can't cut off a relationship like that. It doesn't happen like that.
True.
So I find it a little bit strange when I look at life very differently. Yeah.
Okay, you know, you're also an entrepreneur and you run a brand, right? There are so many people, and because हम YouTube का माध्यम use कर रहे हैं, जिनको अपना brand चालू करना होता है, और brand को sustain करना भी is a big task, right?
Yeah.
You survive for so many long years, right? Give us like 1-2 entrepreneurial tips also that we can take back.
You have to love what you do. Actually, you know what? You have to really love what you do. I mean, Ranveer Singh and Shah Rukh Khan can promote your product, but if you don't believe in your product and your product is not good, it ain't gonna sell.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? It's just a faith. You have to love what you do. You have to love you. For me, it's about creating that perfect product. And to be honest, my label at the moment has taken a backseat because I've had so much going on, and it doesn't require that much of my creativity. But soon you'll be seeing a whole new avatar where my clothes are concerned.
Wow, I'm coming. Little bit of modeling I'll do here and there with your
Please.
outfit. Okay,
Please.
on a parting note, please tell me, let's say your sons decide to get into like direction or acting. Okay, are you going to be that momager?
खुद की नहीं बन पाई, उनकी क्या बनगी मैं? What do you mean? I want to be looked after. But I keep telling them I want to be live the slow life, lady of leisure. अभी मेरे बच्चे मुझे संभालेंगे. That is I keep telling them that. But for my kids, no, I won't be a momager, and I don't want to get in the way. I just give my children know one thing. I say, whatever you all choose to do in life, if you give it your 100%, I will back you 200%.
Wow.
Yeah. तो जो choose करो, give it your all, otherwise don't do it.
ये hashtag lady of leisure is a thing now.
Yeah.
अभी ये use होने वाला है सब जगह.
I swear I'm not like, I've also, you know, Abhi, I've also like kind of, you know, chosen the second innings of my life. I don't want to be chasing all of this. You know, I want to be able to enjoy my life. I want to travel. You know, I want to work, but I want to work out. I want to have time in the day. I want to have time for my mahjong games. I'm obsessed with mahjong. So, I mean, you know what I mean? 3 से 6, 3 times a week if I'm out playing and मैं meeting में हूँ. Actually, I'm playing mahjong. It is a very important meeting for me. It is my mental sanity.
Which is the most important right now.
I do a lot of my art also. I work with my hands. I'm doing a lot of art on the side. I have a small studio where I kind of create stuff and all. I put on my headphones when I go into that. I never got a chance to do this all these years. You know, raising my younger one was very little. I didn't have time. I was working. You know, even when I was doing my clothes earlier, I used to get calls till 10 o'clock at night. This is the first time in my life where, thank you God, touch wood, I have the privilege of choosing what I want to do. So I choose to do many different things, and I choose to also concentrate on my mental health.
Right.
Yeah. So for me, I've begun prioritizing. I can't do the chasing anymore. No, I'm done.
If Seema had to give a 35-year-old Heysha an advice, professional and love life, तो क्या होगा?
Love yourself first. That is the most important. And you know what? Take that risk and do you. बाकी सबका मत देखो, you do you. That is the one advice I would always say, that, you know, we are always overthinking कि ये क्या सोचेगा. If I say this, what will she think? If I don't say this, what will she think? If I do this, the other person is also doing this. That's all noise. You do you with authenticity, and there's no way in life you'll fail.
Wow. Thank you for that. You know, which of the Bollywood housewives you're the closest to at this point in 2026?
Neelam.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, because it changes. We've seen in the seasons. So
Yeah.
I'm like, actually, अब कौन सा season चल रहा है? Let's know who's the closest to right now.
Yeah, Neelam.
Is
Because she and I used to be, I was very close to her when I got married 30 years ago. And we were like, we've known each other from before. Then in the middle, we've always been friends, but you know, that little bit of you drifted your way, I drifted my way when she got married. And you know, the thing is with us, it's always where you picked up where you left off.
Yeah.
That kind of a thing. And nobody knows this, but she is, if anyone can match my Pagalpanti, it's her.
What? We can't imagine.
You will think that she's proper.
Yeah.
As if. वो भी उतनी पागल है.
You know, आप उनको अपने YouTube channel पे लेके आइए and just unwind that side.
Ask
We'd
her,
love
ask
to
her,
see
talk
it.
to her.
Yeah, I'm going to leave like some 100 messages to her right now. Go on Seema's YouTube
She's
channel.
also got hers. She and I are doing it, and y'all will see a lot of us.
Wow, we can't wait. I think honestly we can't wait because now Riddhima has become an actress now.
Too good, yeah. Kudos to her. Well done, Riddhima.
Matlab, wow. we
Yeah,
were like,
man, it's too good. I'm so proud of her. I told her, I said, you know what, whatever it is, it's kudos to you, dude. Really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel what happened through the show and with each one of you all, even post the show, because देखो show तो खत्म हो गया.
Yeah.
अब आप वो show के बाद वो एक साल में क्या करते हो, वो एक audience के साथ connection बनाता है, correct? So we were still watching, and what we saw was जो हमने show में देखा वो आप real life में continue कर रहे हैं. Are we seeing that you're still like? Am I seeing Mahi promote Shania? Yes, I'm seeing that. Am I seeing you and Neelam do outings? The Pune wedding Neelam was also there.
Yeah.
वो भूल गए सब लोग. वहाँ पे आप उनके साथ थे. Like
Yeah, वो तो भूल गए.
हाँ, कि what happened? I was also like, I'm to seeing Neelam also.
We were all four there.
Yeah, everybody was there.
Yeah.
Then I'm saying, ki like, okay, you know, you're doing your own thing separately. Everybody's doing brand endorsements separately.
Yeah.
So life has continued. And honestly, you all have set a benchmark and motivation for women who are probably above 35 to like be an inspiration, right? कि like तुम कभी भी कुछ भी कर सकते हो, कोई problem नहीं है.
100%.
तुम दिख ऐसे सकते हो, तुम काम ऐसे कर सकते हो. Like you guys have set great benchmarks for a lot of us. So thank
For me,
you.
my benchmark is Malaika. Always has been.
Yeah. OG.
OG. Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
But thank you so much,
Thank
Seema, for
you.
your time. Thank you so much
Thanks,
for being an
Heysha.
inspiration for so many of us.
Thank you, Heysha.
And now we are going to like, share and subscribe to not just Filmy Beat, but also Seema's channel.
Please like, share and subscribe.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.